This is a camera test on the base iPhone 15 using the back camera. See, here's the phone box. There's the old iPhone 13 box, and here is the Google Pixel iPhone 15. Here's the dog in the sun. That looks quite nice quality actually. Look at him. Let's just see how far I can zoom in from this window on that bashed up basketball. Oh, that's not that far. That's only 6 times zoom. And there's the wide angle camera. See the dog again. Zoom in on his eyes. This is the front facing camera test on the iPhone 15. And I do actually like it. My face looks really clear, but that might not always be the best due to like spots and stuff. Like my eyes look really clear on this front camera. I do actually really like the front camera. As much as I'm not an iPhone person, the cameras on this phone, considering it's not even a Pro, is really nice. This would be good actually for YouTube videos, but I'm not paying 800 quid for an iPhone 15. This is just my mum's. This is the back camera on an iPhone 15 in portrait mode. You see it's very clear even looking at the phone, and see I have the wide angle camera. I just go and annoy the dog in my brother's room. Look at him, just asleep. Well, not asleep. Go wider, I can zoom in on him. Should I zoom in on his eyes? Yeah. See how far we can zoom in on the ball in the garden. 6 times zoom, yeah. And the wide angle. You see the sky. It looks quite nice. Clouds. Here's a little test of the portrait front facing camera. And yeah, it looks really clear. My skin looks really clear. Like, there's so much detail on my face. It's actually like really impressive, but yeah. So yeah, very last minute clip. I've decided to also film on the iPhone 15. Just finished editing what you've just seen. Basically, if you haven't already, go check out my iPhone 15 unboxing. That is currently uploaded now. It's got 7 minutes left. But yeah, if you're watching this video, the iPhone 15 unboxing will be out. And I'll probably have other videos on the iPhone 15. So if you're interested in the iPhone 15, go check out my other videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoying the other videos. Bye.